Have you ever stopped and wondered why is it that only a small number of people in the world can achieve financial freedom, while the majority still struggle under the weight of financial pressures? Is it because they are luckier than us, or does the secret lie in how they think and act? Money is everywhere, yet why do some people seem to attract it effortlessly, while others feel like they are constantly avoided by the financial flow? Here's a truth that few recognize: money is not just a material object, it is a reflection of one's mindset, values, and intellect. In today's video, I will explore the secrets that financially free individuals inherently understand. These simple yet powerful principles will help you shift your perspective on earning money and living life, enabling you to not just have money, but also enjoy the freedom and comfort that come with it. Don't miss a single moment of this video, because even one small idea shared today could completely transform how you approach money and life. If you find this topic interesting, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you not only help spread these values to more people, but also ensure you won't miss any meaningful content in the future. Are you ready? Let's dive into the journey of uncovering the secrets of financial freedom. Money doesn't come to you by itself, you need to change your mindset about it. Did you know that money is not just paper bills or numbers on a bank screen? Money is a form of energy, a symbol of the value you create for the world. But paradoxically, many of us fear money, viewing it as something seductive or even the root of all problems. This attitude not only pushes money away, but also closes the door to opportunities for financial freedom. Try seeing it differently. Money is not the enemy, it's a tool. A neutral tool that directly reflects your mindset and how you use it. Financially free individuals don't view money as a burden or as a goal to achieve at any cost. Instead, they see money as a flow, a natural result of contributing value to society. And along the way, they maintain positivity, treating earning money as a fun game, a journey of learning and discovery. Stories of success rarely begin with grand beginnings. Think of an entrepreneur starting with the smallest products, but with every transaction, they learn how to understand customers and how to truly create value. Or an artist who, with just their first few songs, touched the hearts of listeners. Money came to them not because they chased it, but because they created something genuinely meaningful. So why do many people find earning money difficult? The simple answer is they don't understand money. If you see earning money as a grueling battle, it will always remain so. But if you change your mindset and learn to see money as a result of intellect and creative effort, you will find that earning money is not a task but a natural part of life. Start with the smallest things. Enjoy creating value. View the money you earn not just as a reward, but as a testament to the growth of your mindset. Once you embrace this journey, money will find its way to you. No rush, no pressure. It will come, like a friend, when you are truly ready to receive it. 2. Choices determine destiny. In life, no one can choose where they are born, but everyone has the right to choose how they live. That right, if recognized and used wisely, can change one's entire destiny. The irony, however, is that many people chase after things they don't truly understand or rush into paths imposed by society, only to lose their way among countless opportunities. Look at those who have achieved financial freedom, and you'll see they never let themselves be swept away by the chaos. Instead, they know how to step back, observe, and make thoughtful decisions. Choosing correctly doesn't mean picking what looks easy or what is trendy, but rather selecting what is truly suitable for themselves. Suitability is not just about skills, but also about passion, values, and long-term vision. When Bill Gates dropped out of Harvard to pursue his dream, it wasn't merely a bold decision. It was a choice driven by his strong belief in the future of software technology. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, has spent his life sticking to a singular investment philosophy, choosing businesses he deeply understands, trusts, and is willing to commit to for decades. That focus and consistency in their choices turned them into icons of success. Making the wrong choice can cost you a few years of your life, but making no choice at all can cost you your entire life. This world is full of opportunities, but they only belong to those who are clear-headed enough to know what they want and brave enough to pursue it. Every day, you might encounter dozens or even hundreds of choices. Ask yourself, what is it that I can do best? Which path will not only bring me financial gains, but also give my life meaning? Remember, the right choice doesn't have to be perfect from the beginning, but it must come with commitment to learning, to not giving up, and to developing until the very end. When you choose the right path, your destiny begins to change not overnight, but through steady, persistent steps. And when you look back, you'll realize that it's these very choices that have taken you to where you truly belong. 3. The simplest method is the most effective way to earn money. In life, people are often captivated by complexity. They believe that to achieve success, everything must be meticulously calculated, and intelligence or exceptional creativity must be displayed. However, in reality, financial masters and those who achieve financial freedom understand this simplicity is not just a choice, but a strategy. Simplicity allows them to focus on the core and optimize efficiency. Imagine standing before a dense forest with thousands of paths. Some people rush down every possible route, hoping to find the shortest path to success, but they soon become exhausted, lose direction, and ultimately get nowhere. Meanwhile, the wise step back, find the clearest path, and persistently move forward step by step. Simplicity is the light that helps them see that path. Simplicity doesn't mean doing less, it means doing the right thing. It's about choosing a field you understand deeply and dedicating all your energy to excelling in it. Look at Bill Gates. He didn't try to become a hardware manufacturer or diversify into various industries. He focused solely on software, the field he knew best. Similarly, Warren Buffett didn't spread his investments thinly but instead committed to businesses he trusted. That's why they became leaders, not by doing too much but by doing the right things. On the other hand, complexity is often the enemy of efficiency. Someone juggling multiple tasks, chasing too many opportunities, will quickly scatter their energy. Like an arrow that can only fly far when its force is concentrated on a single point, the same principle applies to earning money. If you want to make a lot of money, you need to identify the field that suits you, determine where you can create the greatest value, and focus all your effort there. Simplicity also makes you more clear-headed. When you're not buried under a mountain of complex choices, you can see issues more clearly. You can react quickly, make precise decisions, and advance confidently. Simplicity is not about scarcity, but about having the strength to reach the core of the matter. Remember, the road to financial freedom doesn't lie in doing more, but in doing it right. Don't let yourself be consumed by the world's complexity. Discover what you're truly good at, focus on excelling in it, and let the rest naturally fall into place. Simplicity not only helps you earn more money, but also brings peace to your journey of pursuing your dreams. 4. Goals and ambition are the core factors. There is an undeniable truth: your life is shaped by the goals you set. Not by circumstances, luck, or unexpected events, but by how you choose to perceive the future and dare to act upon it. A person without goals is like a boat adrift in the ocean, left to be carried anywhere by the waves. Conversely, a person with clear goals is like a captain, firmly steering their ship step by step towards its destination. A person with big goals not only knows what they want, but also understands the value of perseverance in pursuing what matters. They don't recklessly place their assets at high risk, but always have specific plans to accumulate and invest wisely. Think of people who don't engage in business yet still achieve financial freedom. They don't greedily chase short-term profits or plunge into risky opportunities. Instead, they choose ETFs, sustainable, reliable funds that ensure their money not only grows but is also protected. A big goal doesn't just drive you to act, it helps you overcome challenges along the way. When you know exactly what you are aiming for, every obstacle becomes a necessary stepping stone. Edison, with his goal to bring light into every home, failed more than 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Those failures didn't deter him because his big goal became the driving force that kept him going. But a big goal cannot materialize on its own. It requires a specific plan and, above all, persistence. A seed may hold the potential to grow into a mighty tree, but if left uncared for, it will remain just a seed. Life is the same. No matter how grand a goal may be, it needs to be nurtured every day. Persistence is not a sprint but a marathon, a slow and steady journey forward without ceasing. Ask yourself, what is your goal? Is it financial freedom, peace in life, or a happy family? Whatever it is, start by writing it down, defining it clearly, and committing to it. Don't be afraid to set big ambitions, for only when you dare to think big will life reward you accordingly. And remember, big goals don't just help you earn money or achieve success, they shape the person you become. That is the greatest value every goal brings. 5. Use your mind to earn money instead of just physical labor. There's a saying that makes us reflect: if you don't think, you'll end up working to fulfill someone else's dream. The truth is, many people are caught in the cycle of physical labor, working tirelessly without truly understanding what value they are creating or what legacy they are leaving for themselves. Meanwhile, financially free individuals use their intellect and strategies to create far greater value from the same efforts. Don't misunderstand, there's nothing wrong with hard work. But if you only rely on physical labor without thought, you are limited by your time and health. A construction worker can work hard day after day, building beautiful homes, yet never truly own them. Conversely, those who achieve financial freedom are the ones who see beyond, using their minds to build their own financial houses, streams of passive income, wise investments, or creative ideas turned into reality. Look at successful people. Bill Gates wasn't the best programmer, but he knew how to identify problems, build teams, and turn software into an industry. Warren Buffett doesn't engage in physical labor, but he uses his intellect daily to research, analyze, and make investment decisions that generate enormous value. Or take Richard Branson, who once said, "I'm not the smartest person in the room, but I always know how to choose the best people to work with." Using your mind to earn money isn't just about leveraging personal intelligence, it's also about strategic thinking, risk management, and maximizing available resources. Instead of working solely for money, you can think of ways to create systems that work for you. A book you write can generate income not just today but for years to come. A well-made investment doesn't just preserve capital but generates ongoing returns. Life is like a puzzle, and how you solve it determines whether you are working for money or making money work for you. Stop chasing physical labor and start investing in your intellect. That is the key to unlocking the door to financial freedom and living a more meaningful life. 6. Learning to earn money is the path to financial freedom. Earning money is not a privilege reserved for a select few who are born rich. It is a skill, and like any other skill, it can be learned. What keeps many people stuck in financial struggles is not the lack of opportunities, but the fact that they have never truly learned how to earn money. Look at reality. We spend many years in school learning to solve equations, analyze literature, or memorize historical events, but we are rarely taught how to earn money or manage finances. As a result, many enter life with a suitcase full of academic knowledge, but no real tools to build financial stability. Meanwhile, those who achieve financial freedom understand that earning money is neither luck nor an innate ability, it is a skill that must be developed. Learning to earn money starts with changing your mindset. Successful people don't view money as the ultimate goal, but as a natural result of creating value. You cannot just sit and wait for money to come to you. You must learn how to exchange your value with the world. It could be a product, a service, or even an idea. But that value will only be recognized if you have enough knowledge to place it in the right spot at the right time. Think of Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world. He doesn't just read books about finance every day, he constantly learns from his decisions, whether they succeed or fail. Or Oprah Winfrey, who came from poverty but taught herself to turn the stories she told into an entire media empire. They didn't become wealthy because they knew everything from the start. They became wealthy because they never stopped learning, experimenting, and improving. Learning to earn money is not just about understanding finances. It's also about building relationships, understanding markets, facing failures, and learning lessons from them. And most importantly, it's about never stopping. The world changes every day, and those who stop learning will be left behind. If you want to achieve financial freedom, start by learning. Learn not just to earn money, but to understand how to manage it, multiply it, and use it to create greater meaning in your life. Ultimately, financial freedom is not just about having lots of money, it's about having the power to make every choice in your life. And that journey begins when you dare to learn and dare to change. To change your destiny, you need the right mindset, persistent action, and continuous learning. Life is not a game of chance, but a canvas painted by your mindset and actions. Destiny is not fixed, it changes when you change how you view the world and act on it every day. The right mindset is the guiding light that helps you see that every limitation is temporary and every failure is a lesson. But mindset alone is not enough. Just as a seed needs water and care to grow, big ideas need to be realized through persistent action. Successful people aren't those who always take perfect steps, they are those who are willing to move forward, even when the path is challenging. They don't stop when they face obstacles, they find ways to overcome them, learn from them, and keep going. Finally, continuous learning is the key to unlocking every potential. The world changes daily, and only those who continually refine their knowledge and improve themselves can stand firm and move forward. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today, set big goals, create clear plans, and use your intellect to act. A strong financial future doesn't come from luck, but from preparation and consistent effort.